Hey folks, just want to take a little bit second to catch my breath and then show you what I'm doing. I have a front flower bed. It's had a lot of different stuff in it. We've had some bushes, some gardenias, we've had monkey grass, we've had a lot of different stuff, and we let it get overcome with weeds this year. And we had a lot of annuals as well. Planted some annuals a couple years ago in pots, and the seeds all blew out in here, so we had annuals popping up, and they were pretty, but that's not what I want in front of the house, nor do I want really tall bushes. So we moved all the bushes at the beginning of the summer, and but it just got overgrown. So today I decided to excavate everything. I'm gonna tell you something. If you're gonna make landscape videos, you gotta be in shape. That wheelbarrow's heavy. Anyway, so I excavated all this, got all this out. I'm gonna get some more, and I don't want to get too close to my Japanese maple though. I love that Japanese maple, it's really pretty. I have some old landscape fabric. I'm gonna get my landscape rake, but somebody stole it. I gotta go buy a new one, and I'm gonna recover that and get a bunch of leaves, shredded up leaves. I'm gonna put it into a trash can, and then swirl them around with my weed eater like that, and shred them up real good. And then I'm gonna pour them in here. Then I'm gonna put some little weed barrier on top of that, and then I'm gonna put in my irrigation system. I'm gonna come right underneath here, underneath the sidewalk, all the way down around, and I'm gonna irrigate all the way down to the Japanese maple tree. I don't know what we're gonna do on that side, but you can tell it's a mess. It's a mess. I see weeds, I see aster, I see hydrangea. I'm gonna say the hydrangea. We might save that that monkey grass. It's not really grass, it's really technically a lily, but you know, call it grass. As long as you don't smoke it, I guess you're all right. And so we'll check back with us, and we'll see our progress. It's pretty good dirt. We've hauled in some compost over the years, trying to get the rhizomes and the roots out. We're going to try and see if we can throw some shredded leaves on top of it and let it sit over winter. Whew. Yard work's hard work. So we got the bed tilled out and raked out, and it's looking pretty good. I'm liking the way that looks. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these leaves that I found on the side of the road. I found a whole bunch of leaves on the side of the road, and I just picked them up. I don't think they really care. And I'm gonna put them in this bucket right here. And what my goal is, I'm gonna put them in this bucket. Now these leaves look, they already look pretty like they're starting to break down. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in this bucket right here, and then we're gonna take our weed eater. We're gonna stick our weed eater down here and whirl it around real good, and we're gonna make the shredded leaves. But oh wait, before I do that, I gotta get something very, very important. Always important to wear proper safety gear. Eye protection is a must, because you only got two eyes, and sometimes they go out before you pass out, you know what I mean? So you want to keep good care of your eyes. I like to wear two different protections just to make double sure. All right, now here we go. All right, I'm going to ease it down into the leaves like this. Oh my goodness, it's like a food processor. There you have it, folks. Shredded up leaves. All right, so it took a little longer than I thought it would. We've been working hard trying to get this done. And so what we did was we excavated all this dirt, about 14 wheelbarrow fulls back to the back, and leveled off some of the holes back there in the back. So we leveled that, and we took that out, and then we dumped in a bunch of shredded leaves. Well, first we tilled it, and then we got make sure we got all the grass rhizomes out. Then we put in the leaves on top of it. Now I put this layer of weed barrier on top of it, and we're just going to let it sit. And we're going to let it sit for a while, probably in the spring. We're going to come back and we're going to put some mulch on top of it, and then we're going to plant directly in. We'll cut our holes in our weed barrier where we're going to plant something. We haven't decided what we're going to plant yet, but I already have my drip water line. My drip water line cuts across here and it goes underneath the sidewalk. Now tomorrow I'm going to work on this little flower bed, but I got to go to church, so I probably won't have a whole lot of time, but I'm going to try and get this flower bed cleaned up and looking good too. Thanks.